Hey guys, and welcome back to Makeup by You, and today in this video I've got a bit of a new background for one. Ignore the curtains, not really my style, but we'll have to deal with it. Today actually in this video I'm going to be doing a tutorial. I think my first tutorial. The idea came from Antonio's video, but I know Antonio said in the video that took inspiration from somebody else, so I'm just going to keep that in mind, but she didn't actually say who she took inspiration from, so I can't give credit to them. But the look is going to be this look here, on actually just done on this eye, and then on this eye it's going to be like the reverse of it, so like there's going to be pink eyeshadow in the heart of it and then just concealer on the outside. And if you can tell, this is a Valentine's Day look for you all. So basically let's just get into it. I'm going to be priming my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape in the shade 16N, I think, which is fair to light. I'm going to be taking a mix of this shade here and this shade here out of the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and then this pinky shade out of the Revolution Iconic Vitality palette. I'm just going to be putting that all over my eyelid. I'm going to be taking that quite high up on my eyelid because obviously I need to fit a love heart in there. If anyone was wondering, I did my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Brown Liner Cream in the shade Light Brown, and then I also used the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. So I'm pretty sure I've finished just placing this pinky colour in my lid. I didn't set the Tarte Shape Tape, I just left it a bit tacky. I honestly don't know how this love heart is going to come out. I'm just not too sure if it's going to work or not. Probably not, but we'll give it a go. You can only try your best in life, can't you? Oh my god, I can hear my dog outside my door. But now that is the red shade all put on there, I'm just going to take one of these kind of thin brushes. It's not focusing, but when does it ever focus? Let's be honest here. I'm probably just going to take Tarte Shape Tape because basic. And outline a heart. This one so I can, because obviously it's kind of like a circle at the top, so I'm just going to put that there and see if that can cut it out for me. I'm now just going to be taking this concealer brush, the one I showed you earlier, and just basically carving this heart out. I'm just going to use it again, just this pinky shade on its own to do it. Too sure on this, but I think this is what I'm just going to keep the heart as on this eye. I'm probably just going to set it now and then move on to this eye. I'm just using this shade here from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm just using this kind of like small pointy round brush and get a really precise placement on the eye. I'm actually quite happy with how that's turned out. Obviously the crease in my eye kind of ruins it a little bit, but not actually that much. So now it's time to do this eye. Again, I'm just going to be taking the same shades, taking the same brush as before. I'm just going to be applying that on the same area of this eye as the heart is on this side, but obviously I'm not going to put it completely all over my eye because there's no point in that. Cut around it the outline of a heart. Outline and neaten up this top bit again with that pinky shade there. This small little pointer brush that I showed a few minutes ago, and then placing the red shade there to sort that out. Just placing another layer of concealer down because the concealer before went a bit pinky from being on top of a pink eyeshadow. That is the eyeshadow done on both eyes. I'm actually just going to put a pure white shadow over that. I'm taking that pure white shadow out of the Morphe 35B. I guess if you just want to see the eyeshadow tutorial, that is it. But if you like watching the actual makeup bit of tutorials, then here we go. First things first, for primer I'm going to be using the Ordinary high spreadability fluid primer. Just going to let that sit into my skin for around a minute, and then I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm also going to apply some MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in Goldlite. Foundation, I'm going to be going back to my first high-end foundation, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation in 20S Light Sand. Right now I'm just going to go on and apply my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, which as I said is in the shade 16N. Right now I'm just going to powder my face with this Banana powder from the Wet n Wild contouring palette duo. Right now I'm just going to highlight with a duo of the Wet n Wild highlighting powder and the Revolution True Gold Pearl Light loose highlighter. Going to apply a bit more of the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. As James Charles says, add layers. I'm now going to be contouring with this contour shade. this look, I'm just gonna do the MAC Fix Plus for the last time. Hey guys, I'm back, and after putting mascara, lipstick and everything like that on, this looks finished, and I'm actually really surprised with the outcome. I thought the eyeshadow was going to be a lot harder than it actually was. I decided not to put any lashes on because I didn't want to actually ruin the appearance of it. And that is the finished look. I know the lipstick is a bit dodgy, but I think it's because the gloss is making it, the reflecting lights of the gloss is making it look a bit weird. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you did, thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. It'll be like here until the end of the video, until the outro. I hope you have a lovely Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.